Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the cheats editor for Windows. That is the free application that you can use for editing your cheats with a PlayStation that's got custom firmware, such as this one you can see in front of you. So I'm going to go to my PC, my Windows PC, and then I'm going to go to the cheats editor, which is here, ps3 cheats editor. Let's start that up. Let the application start. Okay, and then basically what you do is on the left hand side you've got the games, right? So what you can do, say for Afterburner Climax, right? You highlight it in blue, so you left click and it tells you that it has 5 cheats, right? On the blue bar, right click and it brings up stuff you can do, okay? Add game is just to add a new game. Edit game is to edit the title, alright? So if I press edit game, it brings up PSN, NP, UB, 301, 51, Afterburner Climax US in the bracket thingies, right? And it says version there, right? 01.00. Now, for instance, if you want to change a version of a cheat, so it says when you access the cheats editor on your PlayStation, code unique, and it says wrong version, okay? What you can do is you can actually change the version here. So if it's version 2.0, you just change the 1 to a 2, and then you go OK, and it saves it, right? Now with the cheats, stuff on the thread that Gingerbread adds, if it says there's a message like, oh, hi Gingerbread, can you add this cheat on for me, blah blah blah, and it shows you the codes and what it is for. So basically on the left hand side here, you just click anything, blue bar, right click, and you press add game, yeah, and it tells you there, okay? Here you can put it as BLUS or BLES, and you type in my new game. So you type in what it is, so it's like Tomb Raider, either it's EU or US, okay, and then what version the cheat is, blah blah blah, right? It should tell you this information on the thread anyway, okay, so we would just cancel that, because we don't want to do that. And then after it does that, it's add cheat, right? So here, you click on that cheat there, okay, and you right click again, so you can edit the cheat code, add a new cheat title, or add cheat. So if I go to add cheat, alright, you type in what it is there, okay, so for this instance it says new cheat 6, alright, so if I press OK, and then it comes up with the blank page for you to type the code in, alright, so it's like 00001D FB blah 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 blah, and then you type in the code that's on the thread, alright, and then you press return, alright. If you go back by clicking on anything like that, right, if I go back to Afterburner Climax, look, and there it is, cheat 6, it just says new cheat 6, but we don't want it because there's nothing on there. So if I delete that, delete cheat, yes, are you sure? Yes, gone. So now all the cheats are still there. Right, now for instance, I have a cheat waiting to go on for Devil May Cry, but I mean this may well be the original list that comes with the machine in your in the download. So once you download it and you activate Cheats Editor, it puts the files into program files, right? So for the minute, what I want to do is I'm going to minimise that, okay? And then where it says this file here, it's Game Genie codes plus its other codes as well. So if I go to this, now I'm looking for Devil May Cry, okay? Which would be this one. And here's the text, alright? And it tells you it's refill health while attacking with triangle, okay? So this is the cheat I want to add in, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that and copy, okay? And then I'm going to minimise it. I'm going to go out of that and out of this, right? I'm going to go back to the cheat editor, and because my list that I use is stored on the front page of the desktop, right? It's on there. It's right there under the arrow. See it? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the file path. So here you've got a file, which is the save file, top right. So if you just can't see that, I'll just show you quickly. Here, this one here is a save. This one here is the open, right? So I want to open, so I click on that, And then where is your file located? So it's on the desktop, right? So we click desktop. You can't see that. So there's desktop. Hit the desktop, and there it is there. See? ST. Highlight that and click open. And the other thing should open up. My st.dat. Just let it do its thing. And there you go. This is not st.dat that I use. This is like where I've put my own cheat codes that I've found that I've not released to people, because some of the ones I do, like Resident Evil Operation Raccoon City, I've got infinite ammo and health, which I don't want to put out because people can play it online. So we're going down to Devil May Cry. Okay, so ABC, D, Devil May Cry. Devil May Cry. Which one are we? HD Collection, Devil May Cry 4. There it is, Devil May Cry. Okay. So I don't know if you can see it from there. Yeah, you can. Right. Okay. So it's that one. So we highlight that one. All right. Okay. So as you can see, there's different ones here. So, for instance, max info items in shop. Blah 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 blah. All those sort of codes. And then what I want to do is I want to add a new cheat. So I right click. Okay. So add cheat. The name of the cheat we paste. So it says refill health while attacking with triangle. Okay, now it brings up the code here, alright, for the page to put the code in. You go to the text word pad, which I've got down here, bring that up like that, okay, and then we just highlight all the numbers, copy, minimize that page, and then paste, and there you go, there's all the numbers. It puts it in the right format anyway, okay. So if I click out of that onto something else, so if I click onto Devil May Cry HD collection and then click back to the one I've just done, and there it is at the bottom, refill health while attacking with triangle. Okay, and like I say, if other instance, like it says Devil May Cry's version 1, as you can see here where the arrow is, right. So I right click if I want to edit a game, and there's version 1 there, that I can click that.